Okay, ready? Good day mga katuto and welcome to Mas Tutu Channel. So ang video nga karon atong paghahimuon, nako i-introduce nga model on how would you add and subtract integers para sa katong mga beginners nato, or bisan pa dili mga beginners no, dugay hagbay rang dinasmag ni positive ug negative integers, pero murag something like na hesitation in dealing with addition and subtraction of integers. So I hope that this strategy will help you understand more about integers. So let's get started. In adding and subtracting integers, positive and negative integers, magamit ta og kaning tile. So we call this the tiling method. So as you can see, naatay duha ka color sa tiles no, na ay black and na ay puti. So we will deal the white tiles as the positive integers ug kaning mga black tiles as negative integers. So yun ani kung mag-add ta sa pananglitan, if we have positive 3, so positive man, so we will use the white tiles, plus positive 2, positive man gihapon, so again another white tile. So as you can see, puros white tiles ang atong nakita no, and we have 5 white tiles. So basically that is just positive 5. So positive 3 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 5. How about negative 2 plus negative 1? Okay, negative, so black tile, negative. So natay duha ka black tiles plus negative 1. So another, okay, 1 black tile. So as you can see, puro sa pod black tiles atong nakita no, og naay tulo ka black tiles. So that is now the sum. So we have negative 2 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Okay. So how about positive 4 plus negative 3? Natay white tiles, 4 white tiles, and then negative 3, we have 3 black tiles. So as you can see, duha na ka color ang atong tiles no, na atay puti, napud tay itom. So inaani na, kung pananglitan og duha na gani ka colors ang mag-exist sa dihang atong i-plaster ang mga tiles, atong i-pair ang opposite colors. So paon sa i-pair, so ini on ra, okay? So we have here white paired to black, and then this one another one, and then the last one. So as you can see, naatay isa ka white tiles nga walay pair na. So and since this is white, nagrepresent ni siya og positive integer. So this is now the answer. So we have positive 4 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 1. So, okay, let's have another one. Negative 10 plus 5. Negative 10. So we'll have 10 black tiles. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. So we have now 10 black tiles, and then plus 5, that is white tiles no, 5 white tiles. Okay, 2, 4, and then okay, 5. So again, lahi-lahi na po color no. So natay black, natay white, so atong i-pair ang opposite color. So in here naatay, okay, dili ta sa pikas mag-pair. So 1 pair, I have the second pair, the third pair, oops, sorry, the third pair, the fourth pair, and the fifth pair. So as you can see, naatay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black tiles na bilin, no? So since that is black, that represents a negative integer. So negative 10 plus 5 is equal to negative 5. Ano na siya kasayan? Okay. Last one for addition. You have 6 plus negative 8. So 6 positive, no? So you have 6 white tiles. 2, 4, 6. Okay. 6 plus negative 8. So negative 8, you have negative or 8 black tiles. 2, 4, 6. Okay. 8. So, atong i-pair ang white o black. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, sa may nabilin? We have negative integers. Kay black tiles man ang nabilin. So, since duha ka black tiles ang nabilin, therefore the sum is negative 2. Okay. I hope you get it. Now, let's have a subtraction of integers. In subtracting integers, atong unahon pagplaster ang minuin. So, naalay twist gamay, no? Compared dito sa addition of integers. So, pagplaster na to sa minuin, basta minus gani siya, atong i-flip ang tiles sa subtrahend. So, yun ani ang mahitabo. We have positive 6 minus positive 2. Okay. Positive 6, no? So, 2, 4, 6. Okay, like that. Minus positive 2. So, dapat, okay, duha man unta na, no? Ka-white tiles. And since, okay, and since minus man ta, so ako nang ganina, atong i-flip kung unsa ang ato ang subtrahend. So, in here, ang atong subtrahend is white tiles, no? So, i-flip na to. So, anaan? Balihon ra. Okay? So, unahin mo na siyang black tile. So, since duha na ka-color, atong i-pair ang white ug black. Okay? Tadaan! So, ang nabili na to are 4 white tiles. That indicates a positive integer. So, 6 minus positive 2 is equal to positive 4. Okay? So, how about 6 minus negative 5. 6 minus negative 5. So, negative man. So, natay 5 ka black tiles. Na natay 6 daan na. So, 5 ka black tiles. 2, 4, okay, 5. Now, mao na ang atong minuend, mao na ang ato ang subtrahend. So, atong i-flip ang ato ang subtrahend. So, black magiging pack. Okay, magiging white na siya. Now, as you can see, puros na white tiles, no? So, meaning, positive integers na natanan. So, pila man na siya tanan? So, atong hapon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, we have now 11. So, 6 minus negative 5 is equal to positive 11. Naka-follow ra? Okay, let's have another one. How about negative 3 minus 5. Okay, negative 3. Negative 3. There you go. 3 black tiles minus 5. So, 5 is positive man, diba? So, we have 5 white tiles. Okay. Negative 3 minus 5. There you go. So, this is our minuend and this is our subtrahend. So, atong i-flip ang ato ang subtrahend. So, ang white tiles magiging tadang! Black tiles. Sa pila naman ang nabilin tanan karon. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 black tiles. So, meaning to say, negative 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 8. Wow! Okay, so let's have the last one. Okay. Negative 4 minus negative 2. Negative 4. Okay? Minus negative 2. Okay. 4 black tiles minus negative 2. So, you have another 2 black tiles. So, this is our minuend. This is our subtrahend. So, as you can see, atong i-flip ang atong subtrahend. Tadang! So, we have opposite colors na. We have black and white. So, atong i-pair ang opposite colors. Okay, you have this one. So, ang nabilin, pila man. So, kanina lang duha, no? Black tile. So, that represents a negative integer. Therefore, negative 4 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Kaya ang nabilin, duha naman lang ka black tiles. Okay? There you got it mga katuto. So I hope that you learned something today sa atong video tutorial. So practice lang ng practice. Sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. So eventually, if you are used to the strategy, no, kay ang mathematics, that is conditioning of the mind lang. So not necessarily nga during examination, kay dili man kita pwede pud magdala-dala ta og tiles pag mag-exam na, diba? So at least makondition na imong mind, use na imong mind sa atong process. So mas dali na karon ang pag-add og subtract og integer. So other students, no, iset nila ang mind kanang tinamba na to nga style. So they will deal with the positive integers nga kanang kwarta and the negative integers as utang, no? So pag naa kay kwarta, naa kay utang. Utang means kinahanglan nimo nga bayaran. So panalitan, we have 6 plus negative 2. So, naakay size nga kwarta, and then, dungagan og negative 2 man so utang. So, naakay size nga kwarta, dungagan og negative, or utang nimo 2. So, usa mahitabo karon. So, basically, kato imong utang, imo jutong bayaran, di ba? So, kung ang size, kuhaan nimo og 2, nga ibayad dito sa imong utang, pila na may mabilin ron. Okay, naakay 4 nga bilin, nga kwarta nimo. So, that is why we have positive 4. O, inana no? If you have negative 3, plus negative 5, so kibali na kay utang nga 3, dungagan og utang nga 5, pila naman tanan. Okay, you have utang nimo 8, so that is why you have negative 8. Okay, so depende na kung saan nimo pag-deal, no? Ang positive og negative integer. So, for our assessment today, so, nako ihatag nga tulo ka exercises, no? So, that will be flashed on the screen. Just comment your answers below and amo anang reviewon, and again, we will be very happy hearing from you guys. I'll see you soon in our next video tutorial. God bless everyone. Happy learning. Keep safe. Bye.